Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by verifying power sources and removing distractions. First, plug the console directly into a known good outlet and confirm that outlet with a lamp or phone charger. Next, examine the power cable and any external brick for frayed wires, kinks, or a status LED. A dead LED often means no power. Once done, disconnect every peripheral, USB drives, external HDDs, capture cards, and HDMI to rule out a peripheral fault before deeper steps. You now perform an electrical reset to discharge residual power. Hold the console power button for 10 seconds until it fully shuts down, unplug the power cord and wait 10 seconds, then reconnect and press power. If that fails, swap in a verified working power cable or brick. Many failures are cable-related. Next, power on with nothing attached and put your ear to the case. Fans, disk drive, and LED behavior tell you if the system is getting power and reaching boot stages. You now decide between software recovery and hardware replacement. If the console powers on but won't boot, create an Xbox offline system update USB and follow the update flow to repair system files. If the unit remains dead, despite known good cables and reset attempts, replace the external power supply or schedule a professional repair because internal components are likely at fault. One troubleshooting tip. If the console powers intermittently, back up your saves and choose repair. Intermittent power often precedes total failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.